I've done so much wrong here. But look at it. This is a response to the fire, flood, drought, the crazy climate we're seeing. There's no question anymore that we need something to sequester the carbon, give us oxygen, renew that carbon cycle, help us stop the consuming. Just got back from vacation, come back to this is just overwhelming feelings, good and bad. There's so many great things going on. I did have some animals get into my annual garden, ate my cabbages in place, bugs into my cucumbers. We'd already put away a bunch of food. There's so much more going on in here. The perennials are doing great. But just to see this working as it's supposed to, trying to match the 7 layers of a forest, doing it with food for ourselves and everything around it. The plants, the animals, and the fungi working together in a symbiotic relationship to produce the needs of the whole. So we made a lot of mistakes. Learn from them. Let's help one another. Hashtag start the conversation. It's happening fast. Peace.